So when we were finished inside there, we decided to move to more places. Flamingos. So guys, let's keep moving. Okay, this is one of the things that you can come and look at here. Bottomless dolphin can hold their breath up to 5 minutes. Bulky nose. It's bulky nose. No, I thought it's bottomless. It's bulky nose. Alright. They have some dolphins here, guys. But I don't see them at the moment. I'm gonna try to move down, perhaps you might just see them. What do you think of these guys? So when I go down, so guys, let's go check some dolphins. There might be some dolphins down there. It's dolphins, dolphins, dolphins time.
Like Chaka Marine.
Eh?
It's best stadium.
Yeah,
Chaka Marine now watching.
they should be dancing around there.
So Chaka Marine was coming from here, right?
Well, maybe they were copying from us.
Ah, this dolphin, the other big one.
Yeah, those ones are real, Baba.
But
Now I'm saying those dolphins. Look at that! Look at the leaves. I don't see them.
Where are the dolphins now?
They are dead.
Oh, those ones. That way.
So
Yeah.
they're over that side.
The dolphins.
Yeah. So it depends on the.
Let's go more that side, guys. We'll see them then.
You have a kid. You take them to the skin.
And also rainforest here.
Mm.
That's why they are saying tropical.
Yeah.
So, how do you get the better than
We have to go inside the rainforest thing, I think. So guys, I think we need to go inside this one. So we go in here. Now food to the birds. So we go in here, guys. Right, we keep moving. I tell you guys, look at this one. Look at this bird. They call this one here a rainforest. So they have different birds here. I wish someone was telling us what kind of birds are these. I have to go up there. I love these red ones. But I think these are look at that. Look at this one, guys. She's cute, right? Wow. Wow. Look at these ducks. The colors here. Wow. How are you guys? You guys good? Do you have a list of these birds, like their names and stuff like that, where we can be able to see?
No,
them?
we're still working on that. But if you have any questions about the species or anything, you can ask us.
Okay.
We'll
Maybe you can tell me just like the names of this.
That is a mandarin duck.
A mandarin duck. Okay, that nice, beautiful
The
one.
female, and the other animal that with colors, the male.
Ah, the beautiful one is a male.
The difference between male and female. Yeah, the beautiful is the male. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's very strange. Supposed to be the lady.
In distant birds, it's very common in birds. Yeah,
Almost always the
Oh, okay. Even with doves, right?
especially in the paradise bird, the male is beautiful.
Oh. Then what happened to us? Okay, and then those red ones, those little red ones, are those the baby falcons?
which ones?
Also those red ones here.
These ones behind you?
No, yeah, maybe like this one here. What is that one?
It's a golden pheasant.
Yeah.
Okay. But there was another red one,
Ibis
like those.
with a big beak.
Yeah.
That one behind you?
It's a scarlet ibis.
That red one?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Scarlet ibis.
Ah. Okay. All right. At least I got something.
Yeah, whatever you need, we'll tell you.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Okay. So, guys, you had the guys, and And yeah, interesting, right? That the male is the most beautiful one. Yeah. Wow. You remember this is what they were talking about, the red scarlet, and yeah. So yeah, this is beautiful. And just remember, you're not allowed to feed these birds when you're here. The mandarin ducks, these ones here. And remember what they said. A beautiful one, it's your male. And the duck one is a female. Interesting. Right. Sorry. Yeah. So yeah, there's something here. All right. Okay, even though they're not showing all of them, but there's something. Ooh, there's a beautiful one. Look at that. Hi. That's beautiful. Okay guys, we keep moving. And that is a real beauty, I'll tell you. Wow. That looks like a woodpecker. A woodpecker. And
It's not allowed eating here because the doors can eat. It's not the best.
is that a woodpecker?
No, this is a kookaburra. From Australia.
Sesame?
Kookaburra.
Kookaburra.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, it looks like a, you know, the woodpecker?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks
Yeah.
exactly like it, but this one is big.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the difference. Yeah.
This animal has the most strange sound. It's amazing.
Oh man. And what do you call this nice black
This is a turaco, violet turaco.
Wow. Man.
Problem? Touch?
Yes.
He's,
Imagine all people want to touch you.
yeah. He doesn't like that. I mean, yeah.
For SeaWorld, every day is more about
Yeah.
thousand and thousand people. Imagine all people touching.
And I think they even tired of us talking, eh?
Yeah.
Because they want to start chipping. So guys, I'm now going to look at the dolphins. There is another information about dolphins, these Atlantic bottlenose dolphins. It says here that dolphins and tail flaps, dolphins fins and tail flaps are made of dense connective tissue, but flippers have bones similar to those of a land mammal's forelimbs. Isn't that interesting? It is interesting, of course. Let's move. Hi. So, yeah, I'm hoping I will see some dolphins there.
You go up this
Okay, that
will be
way.
the dolphin presentation. But if
There.
you want to see the underwater viewing,
Mm-hmm.
is where you'll see the best view of the dolphin.
Mm-hmm.
You go out this door. There's
Yeah.
an elevator right there,
Yeah.
just outside the door. Take it down to 2, and that's where the underwater viewing is.
Okay, let me try that for my camera.
Do that for
Okay.
sure. And then come back up, and then this starts at 5:30. They're just now letting guests.
5:30.
I'm sorry, 6. They're just now letting guests in.
Okay, all right. What's the name of this black beauty?
Victoria Crowned Pigeon.
It's a
Largest-
pigeon.
Exactly. You say it right. Perfect.
Okay.
Everyone is shocked. It's the largest pigeon species in the world, and from propagation.
Wow, oh, the day. Oh wow, let me try him. I hope he doesn't run away. How are you, pigeon? Guys, look at this. It's a pigeon, guys. Look how huge he is. And I tell you, I've never seen something like this before. And she just said to me that these guys, they come from Papua Guinea. Wow, they're huge. Cool. Okay, I'm going for Okay, we've seen this guy. We've seen this guy before.
هذا ترى ماشي كالجاري ها.
We've seen this guy before. So I'm going to go underwater. I want to see the. I see they say true. I must press true. Okay. So I'm gonna go down there because I definitely want to see, the underwater dolphins, and then I'll come back. But I have to show you this guy. I have to show you this guy, guys. Look at him. He's beautiful, right? Wow. Uh-huh. So guys, we have to go in here, and I'm not too sure why. And then I have to press 2. All right. Guys, finally, I've got someone to direct me where to go. So I cannot wait to see them. Yeah, I don't know where my other friends are, but I'll find them hopefully. So I'm going down. Alright. Wow, I think this is it. Oof. Hi guys, did you find dolphins on this side?
Yeah, over there.
Okay, thank you. They sit there somewhere here, guys. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Let me see. Hi. Hello. Do we have more dolphins on this side or only that side?
That's it, that one is stingray.
Oh, okay. I've seen those ones. I just want to see the dolphins this side, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, dolphins. Dolphins. It's beautiful. Oh, I think they are hiding, guys, today. Not much of them here. Oh, I see something. Yeah, but it's far. Can you see it? Look at that. He's playing right there. Can you see him? That's beautiful, right? I have to find my friends. Can you see him there? Oh, he's here. Look at that. Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay. Let's go up, guys. The cafe here smells good. Are you, buddy? You good? Look at those ones, guys. This place is spectacular. So, the show is about to start. So I need to go for the dolphin show. So let's go, guys. I'm sure I will find my friends there. So let's keep moving. That's beautiful. Yeah, let's go for dolphin show. The dolphin show. So let's go. Let's go, guys. Come on, guys. There's our friend again, the biggest. What a big pigeon.
It's coming, it's coming.
Dolphin memories. Let's go. Guys, this place is something else. Tell you. Restrooms. Okay, we keep moving. So baby strollers. So guys, these are the times. Okay. For dolphin presentation times. Okay. The animals are enjoying time to rest. Relax. Please check showtime screens. Okay. Let's go. I have to find my friends. I don't know where they are. I'm looking for my friends. Yes, I can see them. They saw me first.
But this one is, you will get wet.
Kunin daw. Ang may kalangin daw. Ngada. At least.
I'm trying to check who copied who.
Eh?
Marine or this. I'm just trying to check.
Who copied who?
Is it this thing here?
Eh.
We wave it also here. Check Marine.
Yeah,
We with this thing.
you see?
And also
So now guys, the dolphin show is just about to begin.
how do I get this job?
Easy, nice job, right?
Let's go. These guys are drumming like African.
Most of them, I think they're from Africa, Zanzibar and stuff. Those kids. They want to go and dance. Bye.